What would happen if this escalator suddenly stopped while carrying hundreds of people? The answer reveals one of engineering's most overlooked machines. Millions of people step onto escalators every day, yet almost nobody understands what is happening beneath their feet. At first glance, it seems simple: a staircase that somehow moves. But hidden inside is a surprisingly complex transportation machine. And one hidden mechanism makes the entire system possible. Where do the steps actually go when they disappear at the top? Do the stairs somehow fold away inside the machine? Or are passengers actually standing on a giant moving conveyor disguised as stairs? And how does every step stay perfectly aligned without crashing into the next one? To answer those questions, we need to look inside the machine. Most people assume each escalator step moves independently. It certainly looks like individual stairs moving one at a time. But that assumption is completely wrong. The stairs are not separate machines. They are permanently connected. In reality, the entire escalator behaves like one giant moving chain. The first hidden mechanism is the step chain. Each step is connected to powerful steel chains designed to operate continuously for years. These chains form a giant loop that never stops moving. An electric motor provides the force, while the drive sprocket pulls the entire staircase forward. What looks like dozens of moving stairs is actually one continuous machine moving in a perfectly controlled loop. But the chain alone cannot explain how every step remains perfectly shaped. Each step rides on multiple wheels hidden beneath the visible staircase. Those wheels follow specially engineered tracks running through the entire machine. The secret is that each wheel follows a different path. The shape of the tracks automatically creates the staircase. As the wheels move through different track positions, the steps continuously change shape. Passengers never see this transformation because it happens entirely inside the machine. Another hidden system is moving at exactly the same speed as the stairs. The handrail has its own drive system, guide tracks, and tension controls. If the handrail moved even slightly differently, passengers could lose balance. Everything inside the escalator is synchronized as a single machine. And that's only half of the story. Now let's imagine the worst-case scenario. What happens if power suddenly disappears? A hidden emergency brake immediately takes control. The escalator is designed to stop safely, not roll freely. Multiple safety systems constantly monitor the machine for abnormal conditions. Here's the surprising fact. Many escalators are engineered to move millions of passengers over decades of operation. What appears to be a simple moving staircase is actually a precisely coordinated transportation system. Every step, every wheel, and every safety device exists to keep passengers moving smoothly and safely. Now you know how escalators actually work. What machine should we explore next? Subscribe to Hidden Mechanics Lab for more engineering secrets.